Describe yourself as a villain in this movie? You think you're a villain?
She's up. That's my girl Snickers. Snoring. You was snoring pretty. Look at her. Oh, you can't see. She just leaned right into me. This is what I deal with, especially in the middle of the night. Oops, sorry, it's my hand. She's right here. She just leaned right into me. You okay, sweetie? Huh? Yeah. When we lay down, I'll be laying here in bed, and she'll lay about, I don't know, half a foot away from me, and all of a sudden I feel her scooching. She starts scooching over, getting closer, till she can't scooch no more. You okay, girl? What's the matter? Huh? Oh, man, sweetie. Yeah, it's what? It's 5:49 in the morning. I just thought I'd get her snoring, and my tooth is killing me. So Jennifer, I know how you're feeling. I got a bad tooth right here, and it is just throbbing. I tried some what do you call it? CBD oil. Got some right here. Well, this is called hemp oil. It didn't do nothing, so I'm gonna have to give it some dynamite. All right, sweetie. Give Moochie. Can I get Moochie? Moochie. Okay. Jeez. That was a Moochie. All right, guys. What's today? Today the 10th? April 10th? 2018, or is it the 11th? Oh, it's the 10th or 11th, okay? Toodles. Toodaloo, toodaloo. See, Felicity? I'm missing a tooth, too. So we're almost the same. Yours is on the other side, though. Love you. Toodles.